In this video, we will cover how to sign up with WeVideo and navigate its dashboard. To begin with, you'll need an account. To get signed up with a premium account through St. Norbert College, contact the Tech Bar. You don't need to be signed up with WeVideo before contacting the Tech Bar, but you can. If you want to do this, navigate to wevideo.com and hit Sign Up with Google. You can then sign up using your S&C email. Once you've signed up properly and logged in, you should see this screen. You can create a new video by clicking here. It's also worth noting WeVideo has built-in templates for videos that you can access here. For this tutorial, we'll be using a blank project. You can save it to My Projects and then click Start Editing. If your view looks like this, you can switch it to a more advanced editing view. To do this, click the 3 lines in the upper left-hand corner and then switch to Timeline. You can switch back to the storyboard mode at any time for a simpler editing view that leaves out all the complexity of layers when editing a video. On this top menu bar, you can also change the title of your project, theme of your project, and view linked resources. On the far right is where you'll export your project once it's complete. You can check out our other video on more specifics on exporting, linked in the description below. This is the timeline where your final video will be made. You can add additional audio or video timelines by clicking this plus button and indicating which one you would like. This is the playback window where you can preview any part of your movie or anything from the media window. You can resize it by dragging here. You can also change the aspect ratio of your window here or view your video in full screen here. In order to make a video, you first need to know your tools, which are located in the media window. Your main tools are located here. My Media is where you can upload your own pictures, videos, and audio by either dragging and dropping or clicking Import. From the Import screen, you can either import files from your computer or other online services like Google Drive. WeVideo also has it built in where you can record video or audio directly with the Record or Narrate buttons. Additionally, you can separate your media into folders by right-clicking in the media window and clicking New Folder. You'll want to do this as your media library holds all the media used in any project, not just the one you're currently editing. WeVideo also has built-in text you can add to your project. Navigate to the Text tab to view them all. They are separated into folders titled Motion, Static, In Season, and Callout. To add them to your project, simply drag and drop them into your timeline. Check out our video on basic editing in WeVideo to see how to edit these. If you simply drag any text into your project, it will appear on a black background. If you navigate to the Background tab, WeVideo has built-in static and motion backgrounds along with overlays and frames you can use to enhance your video. WeVideo also has built-in copyright-free media to use. The copyright-free music is under the Audio tab. This is available in the free version of WeVideo, but the premium version unlocks more audio tracks. It also unlocks the use of stock media. In the premium version, if you navigate to the Stock Media tab, you can see there are a bunch of copyright-free videos, pictures, and additional audio tracks, including more music and sound effects. You can search them here and filter by type, and then further refine your results. You are also able to favorite any stock media and access it by clicking the heart. In addition to stock media, WeVideo has built-in transitions. Navigate to the Transitions tab to view them. To preview a given transition, simply click on it. It will appear in the playback window. To add one to your project, drag it to the beginning or end of any media clip in your timeline. If you have any additional questions on what was covered in this video, make a Tech Bar appointment at techbar.night.domains. Remember to check out our other videos on WeVideo, linked in the description below. Thanks for watching!